Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create the trending mask cut transition effect in After Effects. Let's get started. First scroll to the end of your first clip. From there, go back 30 frames by holding Shift and pressing page up 3 times. Now drag your second clip over the first one so it overlaps by 30 frames. Scroll to the end of the first clip again, and split the second clip into 2 pieces by pressing Ctrl, Shift and D. The left piece of the layer is the one we'll be working with. To stay organized, rename this layer to Mask, since we'll be masking it several times. To make it stand out and keep the tutorial clear, I will change its layer color to purple. Next, enable the proportional grid. This will help us cut, mask, and align everything perfectly. Let's zoom in on the bottom part of the clip and select the rectangle tool. I'll mask the bottom section, making sure it's aligned with the proportional grid. Now that we have the first mask cut ready, duplicate the layer and press M to reveal the mask. Make sure the mask is selected, then grab it from the corner and drag it upward. Don't worry about perfect alignment on this one, cause you can adjust it later. Next, duplicate this layer again, press M, select the mask, and drag it to the top. I'll align this one perfectly, since I think 3 cuts are enough for this tutorial. Next, select the mask on the second layer and align it as well. If you want to be creative or position the mask differently, feel free to adjust it until everything looks clean. Now that we have 3 clean masks, we can create the transition. First, scroll to the start of the first mask layer, then move 10 frames forward. At that point, select the second mask layer and cut its beginning. Move 10 frames forward again and cut the start of the third mask layer. Let's quickly preview the effect now. Looks perfect. We're almost done. To make the effect even cooler, we can add a flash. Create a new solid layer. I will name it Flash. Make sure the solid matches your composition size. If not, click Make Comp Size. Next, click on Color and select White. Finally, hit OK. Scroll to the start of the solid layer, then move 10 frames forward and cut its end. Move the flash layer above the first mask layer. With the flash layer at the beginning, press T to reveal opacity and click the stopwatch. Then scroll to the end of the flash layer and set the opacity to 0%. Duplicate the flash layer and place it above the second and third mask layers too. Let's preview the effect now. Looks good, but the flash is too bright. To soften it, select all flash layers. Next, click Toggle Switches / Modes, and change their blending mode to Overlay. Make sure all flash layers are set to Overlay, then preview the effect again. It looks much better. To make the transition to the original clip smoother, we can add a shake and a flash there too. I'll use a shake from the AM Film Shakes pack. To get the AM Film Shakes pack, check the link in the description below. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.